Okay guys, do my hair with me. I actually just did my roots. So yeah, our blonde is looking on point. Just tanned my body too, so we're nice and tan with my Pita Jane. I do my chest with this, my body with the mousse. You guys always ask. I usually use Cocoa and Eve, but lately I've been switching to this. So either one works amazing. I know a lot of you guys that you don't use, well, a lot of people on Facebook don't use TikTok Shop. You guys really should. I mean, you get so many deals and all that, like, but anyway, I use these. Let's do my hair. My hair. Letting my curling iron warm up. I did my makeup. We went a lot glam today because I wanted to be glam. I also got a lot of natural sun today, or the other day, so I mean, that tanner works amazing, don't get me wrong, like literally that's why I'm so tan. Anyway, I'm going doing my hair. Okay. I had my hair up all day, so actually like I don't know, I want to do like a Pamela blowout, so let's do that. Oh, and one thing I was gonna address was because I was getting a ton of comments about, oh my god, like you're wearing so much makeup, oh my god, don't wear so much makeup. Probably one thing that I don't care about is like people wanting me to not wear makeup. Like that's really not my problem. I like makeup, I'm gonna wear it. You don't like makeup, I don't know, women have worn makeup since literally like Marilyn Monroe. Like probably before that too, like in the 1920s, like women have always been so, what is that word called? I'm literally taking this, women have been so like resourceful with getting like makeup products, or making their own. And I could hardly imagine men being like, back in that day, or you know, the 1960s and 1950s, earlier, I couldn't imagine men being like, oh my god, that woman is wearing too much makeup. Like, no, you just appreciate the beauty that is there. You appreciate the beauty that is the woman. Stop complaining about women wearing makeup. No one is trying to trick you. No one cares to do that. Honestly. But like, imagine a man in the 1920s or something being like, walking up to a woman being like, oh my god, you're wearing so much makeup. Like, they just wouldn't do that because like that's so ridiculous. Women look good with and without makeup. Like me, I could literally put on lashes and I look, like, to me, I think I look pretty, but I like to do more. So don't know why that bothers so many like people, but it's just so like fun to do like a bunch of, you know, eyeshadow and to see how you can look, and I don't know, I always just like it. So I don't. Hi. My hair's been so smooth literally because I've been using Tresemme conditioner. I know that's crazy, but like it literally is the smoothest it's been in so long. Tresemme.